Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video lesson, we are going to create a pattern using nested loops in C. Our today's pattern is, in today's pattern, we have 5 rows and columns are not fixed. You can see. So, columns are varying from 1 to 5. In the first row, there is 1 star, in second row there are 2, and in the third row there are 3 star, and so on up to 5 rows. So our outer loop will execute 5 times and inner loop will be vary from 1 to 5, so that if it will print 1 star in first row, 2 stars in second row, and so on. Let's do it practically. Double click on Turbo C icon on the desktop. ID is open now. Select new from the file menu. First of all, I am going to draw our pattern in comments. One star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, and 5 stars. So number of rows equal to 5 and number of columns equal to vary from 1 to 5. So this is our objective for today. I am going to save the program first. Pattern 2. Okay. So let's begin. Void main. In this program, we need two variables, I and j. CLRS here. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Outer loop which controls number of rows. Okay. Now inner loop for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Opening brace, closing brace. Printf star space and printf backslash n. Okay. Gets h. Saving the program once, compiling it. Okay, program is absolutely fine. Let's run it to view the output. Control F9. So we have our expected output on the screen. Now it's time to understand how program works. Okay, outer loop, inner loop, and output. I equal to 1. Initially the value of I is 1 in outer loop. Inner loop is varying from 1 to 5. So for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, but the value of I is 1 here, so j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 1, j plus plus. So this loop will execute one time. After that loop is completed. Printf \n will move the cursor to the next line. Okay, so we have 1 star as output for I equal to 1. Now after loop is completed, the value of I gets incremented by 1 and the value of I is 2 now. So I equal to 2. I am going to copy and paste the lines. Okay, so now for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I. Okay, but in this case the value of I is 2, so for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 2. So this loop will execute 2 times. Printf \n will move the cursor to the next line. So it print 2 stars on the screen. Now again the value of I is incremented by 1, so now it is 3. So again the loop is converted into for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 3, because the value of I is 3 now. So it executes 3 times. So the program will print 3 stars on the screen. Printf \n will move the cursor to the next line. In this way, in the next iteration, the value of I will be 4. So j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 4, execute 4 times, so it will print 4 stars on screen. Printf \n will move the cursor to the next line, and at last when the value of I equal to 5, our loop is converted into for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 5, because the value of I is 5, j plus plus. So it executes 5 times, so it will print 5 stars on the screen, and print a backslash n will move the cursor to the next line. Now when the value of I is 6, the loop condition, the outer loop condition gets false. So loop gets terminated. So in this way our program will print this pattern. If you have any question regarding this video lesson, write it in the comment section. Hope you like this video. In the next video lesson I will come with new pattern. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching.